fixing homes with flood damage. This is a flood repair video. So this is a home we purchased recently for fixing up. It's a fixer-upper. We knew what we were getting into, and we know it's going to be a lot of work getting it repaired. Now, this had about 18 inches of water, and it foreclosed 2 years ago. It gets -40 here in Alaska, so your pipes burst. You want to make sure you get all the moldy sheetrock out. You're going to have more mold in the frost walls and in bathroom walls or any walls that have plumbing, especially if you have copper pipes. I understand there are health benefits to copper pipes, but we're going to go with PEX because first off, it gets -40 here, and second, they're cheaper and a little bit easier to work with. So PEX is the way to go. It's plastic hose in either white, blue for cold water, or red for hot water. Pulling all this sheetrock out yourself will cut your bill in half if you're going to be paying a contractor to reassemble it with new product. It would cost you money for a box of gloves, a box of masks, depending on how big your house is, a box of contractor bags, maybe 2 boxes, maybe 3. We went through 75 bags for ripping out sheetrock down here, and that doesn't include all the wood paneling that was on the bottom 3.5 feet. So it'll cut your bill in half. It'll really significantly lower the cost of a remodel if you do this step yourself. Contractors can also tack on something called a hazard pay, and that's basically like, hey, we need an incentive because of how dangerous this job is. We can get sick by the mold or whatever. People who inspect homes as well, like if you get a house inspection done, they can also charge hazard pay. So this will cut your bill quite a bit if you do this step yourself. So right here, I am in the boiler room, and I have finally broken through the wall enough. You can see my husband repairing some broken lines in like the water ops room. That's what I call it, is water ops. We have one pressure tank down there, and that's for the in-floor heat. And then we have 2 water heaters, one for the in-floor heat and one for the usable water, like the bath and the sinks and the dishwasher and the hot tub, things like that. So he has been working hard on getting the water running because right now we don't have running water. This video is coming to an end. If you want to see the progress on this fixer-upper, you can click the follow button. Thanks for watching.